Oh, hey, I'm glad you're here. Man, I got some good news for you. Softwashapolooza 2021 is definitely happening. I know 2020 has definitely been a crazy year, but we wanted you to know that this is definitely happening. Our 10th anniversary. Save the dates, January 27th, 28th, and 29th. This thing is happening. We don't know where it's going to be, but it might be in a hotel like this, or a great entertainment venue like this one, maybe in a field, or under a bridge. I just know this, come hell or high water, we're doing something here in Orlando, Florida, come this January. So join me in Orlando, Florida. Make sure that you click the RSVP button below and let us know that you're coming to Softwashapolooza 2020. We don't know what it's going to look like, but it's going to be great and it's going to inspire you. See you there.